TikTok, Amazon finds you need. All links will be found down below in the description next to the like button. 20,000 likes for part 2. Can we just talk about how freaking cool this is? This is probably the cutest thing I've ever seen, aside from my little dog Jupiter. It's a cute little rotating sushi train. Oh my gosh, get it to impress your friends, spice up a little date night, and enjoy a fun little sushi bar experience right at home. How many times are you in the shower when you get that brilliant $1 million idea? Well, don't let that shower thought go down the drain. Introducing the waterproof notepad. That is right, a notebook that sticks to your wall and allows you to write in the freaking water. Plus, it doesn't come off, so you can rest assured that all your grand ideas get their appreciated moment. Oh my gosh, I love it. Try out the Sip Caddy. Pour your favorite drink into this glass. How convenient. Go in the bath, enjoy a little time. This is the only cup holder in the world that also holds wine glasses, okay? It holds it all. Cheers to that. So what? I like to eat and drink in unconventional places. That's okay. Okay, like this video if you always reach for a fry or chicken nugget before you make it home. You know, that's what it is. These innovative holders have me covered. Mess-free, right where I want it. This is a car holder for ketchup and dipping sauces, okay? It has a universal mount, meaning it fits vents of all shapes and sizes. Sauce Moto is designed to securely hold your sauce in place through almost any driving condition and has even been tested off-roading. Pretty cool, but please drive responsibly. This thing is a game changer. Everybody needs this in their kitchen. So who wants to cry when you're cutting onions? Not me. Okay, so check this out. It chops large pieces of fruit, vegetables, boneless meats, herbs, nuts, and even ice. All you have to do is pull the little string and it spins the chop. It's hand powered, no need for electricity. I freaking love it. If you're a little foodie in the kitchen, this tool removes the corn kernels right from the corn without having to use a knife. It's easy to use. You can strip entire corn in seconds, and all you have to do is really shimmy this thing around. The corn and the kernels come right off. ASMR. Ooh, ASMR. That reminds me, I actually recently posted an ASMR video to help you fall asleep. The link will be down below. Comfy wearable blanket. That's it. I know. Genius. Everybody needs this. This is a giant blanket that is also a giant sweater. It's like an upgrade from the Snuggie because you can walk around the house in it. It's so comfortable. I personally think it's really cute. And they say you might mistake it for getting hugged by a cloud. It really does feel that way. Look, who really likes crust? Not me. Okay, this tool makes your sandwiches a little more fun. It's great for people or kids who hate the crust. It easily removes the crust and seals the sandwich at the same time, just like Uncrustables. Also, it comes in small and large sizes for whatever you like. Plus, you don't have to be limited to PB&Js. This also works on any other kind of sandwich that you like. Can you tell I like my kitchen gadgets? That's right. This next Amazon product should be in everyone's kitchen. It creates a smooth, velvety microfoam for a cafe quality latte, cappuccino, macchiato, frappuccino,
all the Cheetos,
okay, matcha tea, and more. It's super easy to use and mess free. Also, Dalgona coffee. Hey, what's up? Hello. It's like you can have your own little barista right at home. I absolutely love it. You want to be the hostess with the mostest and look elegant? Okay, this little device pours oil and vinegar from the same container while keeping them separate. It has a very cool, elegant look and is ideal for salads, dressings, and a little bit of bread, a little bit of carbs. I don't eat this much Chick-fil-A sauce.
No, you love Chick-fil-A sauce. I was like, I'm gonna buy Natalie some Chick-fil-A.
No, I don't.
Sauce.
Goodbye, everyone.
Okay,
Don't try that.
This see, she does eat it. Almost fell. It wasn't even good.